hard water. Accompanied by Dodger Stadium organist Dieter Rule. Please welcome back Irys, Irys, and Koseki Bijou.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for the Dodgers. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for the Dodgers. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the all ball game. Let's go make some noise! Yeah! Time to run! Make some noise! Go
I see some of you at top deck and reserve level. Feel free to make your way down so you guys can get a better view. More of the lower seats come down to the field. Are you ready, Simon? All right, we're about 10 minutes away. So again, if you're at top deck or reserve level, make your way down to lower level seating and onto the field. And we're getting ready in 10 minutes. It's a Hololive night live stream.
everyone. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! All right, we would like to welcome everyone to Hololive Night at the Irys Stadium 2021. We are so excited and happy to be here with everyone tonight. Yeah! Extremely. Not only are we able to gather both Dodger and Hololive fans together, but the thought of being able to live stream in the stadium is absolutely crazy. What?
Wait. This is new. Should we do our usual self-introduction first? Very original. Let's do Go Dodgers on the count of 3. Sounds good to me.
Okay,
Everybody,
all right, let's go.
in the stadium, everybody, you must switch with us, okay? And also for those in the YouTube chat, just go type Go Dodgers in all caps to join the fun. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, your purple eyes are so beautiful. Oh, well, there's a reason for that. Are you laughing? Are you gonna laugh?
Oh, so strong. It's okay. You won.
Let's go! Oh my God, guys, is this Dodger Stadium? Like that Dodger Stadium?
I mean, it does look like we're in LA.
Yeah, no, guys, focus. Yes, we are in Dodger Stadium right now.
So I think we should start with self-introductions.
And let's go promise! 3, 2, 1!
Let's go, Promise!
You guys are so amazing. Thank you for always being with us.
Thank you for these amazing 4 years and many more to come!
3, 2, 1.
Let's go, Dodgers!
Shall we, ladies? 1, 2, 3,
Let's go, Dodgers!
Wow, this has been a really pretty night.
Yeah, no, I feel the same way too. Is everybody having fun so far?
That's the same one. Yeah.